Right, this is a 2020 Sea Ray 230 SPX outboard. Horizon colored hull, white 200 Verado. Let's go ahead and step aboard. Show you the options inside. All right, we're up aboard the 230 SPX. You can see on the back it's got a white 200 horse Verado outboard. This is for 2020. The new stone gray interior is beautiful. L-shaped seat on the starboard side with an opposing couch. Look around, you got all these bolsters everywhere, tons of cushions, grab handles where you conveniently need them placed. 2 captain's chairs here at the helm, and they do rotate, but this is just an expansive amount of seating for a 23-foot boat. At the helm, we got a 5-inch Simrad screen, what does has GPS and a fish finder, Bluetooth Fusion stereo with speakers, bow and stern. Going forward, you'll notice a lot of cushions in the front, grab handles, really nicely appointed 23 SPX. Give us a call, 954-633-2070.